So what's happened here, the motor connections are between the violet, this guy, and the blue. That's it. No more connections, because the other connections we have here is all power. So we have the neutral, ground, and the black here. The black is connected directly to the safety switch right here. It's a reset, see, a reset switch. And that's pretty much it. We can open those two screws and check the windings on the motor. My glasses battery is dead, so that's why I'm trying to kind of show you this with one hand, and of course I can't even open it. Let me stop the video and I'll come back once it's all open. Okay, now once it's all exposed, we can see everything here. So this is our ground, the green. The violet, it looks like it's connected to number 1, and number 1 is number 1 red, doesn't say. So we have number 1 here, L1, and we have L1, which is line 1 right here, and it looks like that's going to be, I don't know if you can see, but it looks like between those two, the black and the yellow, that's most likely your windings. So let's test it again. I'm doing this with one hand, so hopefully I can get a reading. Yeah, so it looks like we have 2 ohms of resistance on the windings. So as you can see, the windings seems to be okay, so there's no problems with the windings. But customer complained even with the windings still okay, there's not enough juice on the motor. So I recommend replacing the motor, because this is the main component here, there's nothing else. I have to see how much this motor is. It's probably not very cheap, I can tell you that. Yeah, so this is the short video on this food processor, whatever you call it. I never worked on these guys before, so, but it looks like this is the unit we have to replace in order to fix it. Other than that, I mean, I don't see any problems. It's extremely easy unit. there's no components here, there's nothing. There's micro switch, 1 micro switch, 2 switches. Micro switches works, we know, because once I turn this device, I locked it, it started working, so we know the micro switch is working. Yeah, so I will recommend replacing the motor on this guy. It looks like it's going to be a little challenge to, actually no, but it looks like there's 4 long screws, or I have to replace. It's probably going all the way down, and then I have to remove the motor, disconnect all the electrical here, put a new one, and then should be all good to go. If you guys have any questions, you can comment below. Take care. Bye bye.